Hello everyone, here's my latest piece, Up and Down. Nuthatch goes down, woodpecker goes up. And as you know, I write verses to accompany the work. And I like doing this because I think it explains my thinking, and people do genuinely like the verses, even though they're not always that good. Anyway, I was looking for a word that rhymes with silver birch, and I couldn't think of anything. And then I remembered this new programme on Radio 4 called Unspeakable with Phil Wang and Susie Dent, and they invite celebrities on to make up words and give the meanings. And so I've come up with this word called Flirch to rhyme with birch. And what I'm suggesting it is a word that describes birds when it's a cross between flying and flirting. In other words, they're in flight and they're displaying as part of the courtship ritual. So here it is in the verse, see if you can spot it. Up and down, they don't flounder, they don't flirch, as they feed on this silver birch. Never a cross word, seldom a frown, as one goes up and one goes down.